Thanks so much for popping by. Jamie Jo Sells Wax, where we talk about all things Scentsy fragrance. My name is Jamie Jo, and I have been working and partnering with Scentsy Fragrance for almost 15 years now. The end of October, it'll be 15 years. And I have been absolutely loving Scentsy Fragrance that entire time. I love the products. I love the opportunity that we give people to earn their products for discounts, for free, all that good stuff. But I also love the freedom that Scentsy Fragrance has given me, and it could possibly give you. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you shoot me a text. You can find my number down in the comments of this video, or I will give it at the end of the video. Today, we are talking about one of the consultant perks, but also something that you can purchase as a customer of Scentsy. We are unboxing the warmer of the month for October of 2023, and I am in love because it is another pumpkin warmer. I have so many of the past gorgeous pumpkin warmers up in my house, and I am so excited to add a new one to my pumpkin warmer collection. So we're gonna unbox this, but we're also going to talk about the consultant perks and the fact that this is the October scent of the month, but I was able to get it in the middle of September at a discounted price, so I can showcase it to you guys, my customers. I can show it off in my home. I can show it off on social media in time for it to go live on the first of the month. So let's unbox this warmer. We're also going to talk about the scent of the month, which is, of course, a pumpkin fragrance. And then we're going to talk about all the perks that come along with the scent of the month. So here is the box that you're going to get. This one is called Starry Pumpkin. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what all we get in there. All warmers come with just information packet. Of course, you need your customers to know how to work their warmer. Okay, as we unbox it, we have the dish. It's just a plain glass dish. It does have, let me show you. Do you see that? My camera's not gonna focus on it. There we go. Do you see that number 4 right in the middle of the dish? That means that Scentsy recommends 4 cubes of wax to go into that warmer. This is another one where we've got the metal piece that goes on the top of the warmer. I love this one because it's a super dark metal. Guys, I don't know my metal names, but this one is almost black, but it's not. It's super dark, dark brown. I'm gonna show you up close when I get the warmer put all together. We're gonna pull out that styrofoam, and we've got our gorgeous warmer and the plug. Move this box out of the way. So right off the bat, you can see that this is a definite strong orange of this pumpkin warmer. Some of ours have been more glass-like, or I don't even know how to describe them, but they weren't like a true orange. They were more, I don't know, gold. There's been one that's silver. We have one right now in the harvest brochure called Fall Fairy Tale. It looks silver until you plug it in, and then it turns into like a mercury glass look. So this one looks like it's getting a 20-watt bulb. I'm gonna go ahead and put that bulb down in the warmer. Move all this stuff out of the way. Scentsy packages their stuff so well. I mean, I have been selling Scentsy for, like I said, almost 15 years, and I can count on one hand the amount of warmers that have broken in transport. So that's pretty amazing considering the fragility, I feel like I'm on A Christmas Story, of these warmers. Okay, so there's nothing, no attachments or anything to hold the dish on this warmer. You're just gonna put it right in the top. You're gonna put that metal piece right on top. I'm gonna show you guys the warmer before I turn it on, and then we'll turn it on. How gorgeous is this? There we go. I need to cover up my face so you guys can see the warmer, not my face. I love this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got like a sparkle and a twinkle to it. I think my light and my camera are messing that up for you. But let's go ahead and turn this on. Oh, it helps if I turn the outlet thing on. There we go. How beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's like it glitters. I hate that my ring light is reflecting on that because it's really messing up the look of the warmer. But this, guys, I might say that this is the prettiest pumpkin we've had yet. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Now let's talk about the scent of the month that goes with it. It is called Pumpkin Cashmere. Most of our pumpkins are like a bright orange fragrance, or bright orange color, but this one is a more muted, almost like an apricot color. I love that. I am not a huge fan of pumpkin. If you watched my video from a few days ago, you know that. I'm not a huge fan of the pumpkin, but this is one that I enjoy because it's not straight pumpkin in your face. There's like some woodsy mixed in with it. It's actually, Scentsy says, surround yourself with the captivating combination of warm cinnamon, bountiful pumpkin, and cozy cashmere woods. So you've got a lot of cinnamon in there. You've got some pumpkin mixed in, of course, but then you've got that cashmere woods. It's very light. It's very unassuming. If you are a person that loves fragrances that are in your face, this is not the fragrance for you. However, if you are a person that likes to walk into a room and experience a fragrance without it knocking you over, this is the fragrance for you. Pumpkin cashmere. It's light, it's warm. It's almost like, okay, so it has that word cashmere in it. Think of like a cashmere sweater, how it makes you feel, how it's cozy, it's soft, and it just envelops you in a hug. That's what this fragrance is gonna do for you. Pumpkin cashmere. It's so good. So now that we've talked about the warmer, this gorgeous, gorgeous warmer, now that we've talked about the scent of the month, let's talk about the consultant perk of the warmer and scent of the month. So as a consultant, we have the option to enroll in a scent of the month club or a warmer of the month club. It just means that on the 15th of the month prior to this coming out, Scentsy is going to automatically send us this set. So they have our credit card on file for this. The great thing is we can change it. We can change it, we can stop it, we can do whatever we want from month to month. So we have full control over it. But this month, I got both the warmer of the month and the scent of the month because we get to see a preview picture of what the warmer is going to be. So we learn, as consultants, we learn our customer market. Some months I get the warmer, some months I don't. But it's always available to my customers online, whether I purchase it or not. So some months I get it because I want it for myself, like this one. Or some months I get it just because I know my customer Susie over here or my customer Jennifer over here is going to love that warmer and they're going to want it. So I can get it in advance at a discount. If you choose, you can just get the scent of the month. I always, always, always get the scent of the month because I want to let you guys know from my nose what this smells like. Sometimes those descriptions are a little off. I want to be able to smell it and tell you guys what I think of it. So I'm going to get a full collection of bars of this. Then, not only that, we get two other things in this set. Either one, if it's the scent of the month or both of them together. The first is a pack of 50 flyers of the warmer of the month. So let me show you. This is the one for this month. So gorgeous photographs on the front of it. Great for our customers. I pop this in mailers all month long. It's got all the product descriptions there. And then it features some of the past warmers and scents of the month on the back of the flyer. Here's what's super fun, guys. We get these. Do you remember in elementary school when your teacher would put a scratch and sniff sticker on your paper and like how over the moon excited you got? We have scratch and sniff stickers of the scent of the month every single month. And it automatically comes in the kit for the scent of the month or both scent and warmer of the month. These are so fun. I love to put these on all my customer happy mail so my customers can scratch and sniff and decide if they like the fragrance of the month. So here's the deal, guys. If you are watching this and you're a customer and you're like, OMG, like I am, about this warmer, if it is October 1st or after, go over to JamiJoSellsWax.com and you can get this warmer. It is not available until October 1st. If you are intrigued at some of the benefits of being a Scentsy consultant, I would love to talk to you more. Like I said, I've been working with the company for over 15 years now and do not regret a single minute of it. I think you would absolutely love it too. So if that's something you want to do, you can jump right on board. You can go to JamiJoSellsWax.com. At the very top, there's a tab that says Getting Started. You can click there and get going. If you're watching this in the month of September, you have the option of a $99 kit or a $40 kit. How cool is that? $40. If you have any questions, I'm always here to talk to you guys. You can reach me at 918-888-9690. Text is best. You can comment on this video. There's so many different ways that I would love to chat with you. But guys, I just had to show you this gorgeous warmer of the month. I am going to take it right now and put it up in my house because this is not getting sold to anyone. I'm totally keeping this warmer for myself. But if you want one, you can get one on my website, JamiJoSellsWax.com. I'm Jami Jo, and I hope that you have a sensational day.